Hi, my name is Nikki with Slick Marketers.
And I'm Kristen, and we've been marketing for salon suites for nearly a decade.
And today we want to come with a hot topic, as right now we are heading into the holidays. It is more critical than ever to really push your marketing to fill up your salon suites with qualified wellness and beauty professionals.
Right. Beauty pros will be significantly busier in November and December and highly unlikely to move. So we really consider this time one of the most important in terms of lead volume and tours and lease ups.
Yes, and just to add to that, we see this statistically doing the digital marketing. We've seen that engagement drops off first and second week of November because they are so busy. They're not going to have time to look into a salon suite. They're just busy taking care of their clients. So right now, between now to November 1st, it is really important to do all the marketing that you can.
We highly recommend our clients be as aggressive as possible right now, and then scale back their marketing efforts when it comes to November and December.
And so we're going to bring you 3 tips to help promote your salon suite during this critical time.
So our first tip is to offer limited time pre-holiday offers. Now, we like doing this because it really drives urgency. You don't want people to think, oh, this special is going to be around next year. You know, we really want people to know that, hey, this is a very special offer. It's a limited time. Maybe it's only for your next couple of salon suites. But we really want to motivate them to come and check you out now, get settled before the holidays, and be able to offer these private one-on-one services to their clients throughout the holiday season.
Yes, it's just a really good time. So maybe we can go into some of the examples of limited time holiday promos.
Yeah, and these can really be anything. Offering an additional dollar amount off per week between now and the end of the year, or additional product bonuses, or even increasing your referral bonus. During the holidays, who doesn't want a little bit more money in their pocket?
Right, right. Or giving away free weeks and doing a calculation on what that value is.
Mm-hmm. And we've also seen some of our owners do wonderful giveaways, winning a trip or a large dollar amount or concert tickets. So you can be really creative with these limited time holiday offers, but consumers are really looking, especially this time of year, for deals. Everybody wants to save. They're thinking about how much money they're going to spend gifting this holiday. So anything that you can do to sweeten the deal will definitely benefit your location.
Yes, yes. And Kristen made a good point by offering something unique and different, like the vacation or concert tickets. It's so different, and you know, them knowing that it's a limited time holiday promotion makes it all the more exciting.
Basically, it's anything to stand out, and anything to be able to re-engage with past leads is also really important. I mean, there's somebody that could have toured with you a year ago, but by reaching out to them, offering them this limited time special, you know, maybe it will pique their interest again and, you know, get them to actually sign a lease.
Yes, I mean, Kristen, didn't you do some text blasts recently and email blasts on some of these?
Yes, and you know, we're seeing so much success with re-engaging past leads. You know, some people just aren't ready to make the move right when they tour or inquire about pricing. So you have to stay present on their minds. And text blasts, email blasts, direct messaging, these are all fantastic ways to re-engage.
Oh my gosh, I mean, I have to talk about an example. We've seen it over the last decade where people who toured, sometimes they're ready to lease that week, but oftentimes we'll see them be ready later. Some people go back and they go dark for 6 months because they're building their books. Some people take, I mean, we don't want it to be that long, but that's why this going back to nurture your past leads is so important, because we've seen them come back a year later, 2 years later, and it's because they're thinking, but sometimes they're on the fence and they need the extra nudge. So the holiday promotion with past leads is a great thing to do.
And we've also seen that those leads that come back are actually higher quality because they've really set their eye on the prize. Their goal is to be an independent beauty pro in their own space, and they've been working hard to make sure that it makes sense, that they're financially ready, they have their book of business, all of those things. So if you're not reaching out to your leads or your past leads, we highly recommend it.
Yes. I'm going to dive into one more piece, Matt. I just can't help it. But, we've been helping pull our Salon Suite owners past client list, and we've been also running that on Meta. So then that's a way to retarget and re-engage with these leads, not just doing text and email blasts, but we're also pulling these lists and running Facebook and Instagram leads to re-engage with these folks. So it's really, really good. Tip number 2 is to host holiday-themed open houses. People love the holidays. I think it's a great opportunity to do around maybe Thanksgiving theme, Christmas, winter open houses where you can have some treats, some food, some prizes. You can collaborate with local beauty suppliers who love to be in front of your beauty professionals to create something fun for the community and also to celebrate your Salon Suite owners, because you appreciate them and you want them to feel connected with the community there at the salon.
Exactly, and that really is what people are looking for. They want to work for themselves, but they don't want to lose that community aspect. And that is really where retention comes into play, right? If you're helping them build a community, that you're showing that they're more than just a number or a lease to you. And celebrating these small milestones might seem really small, but they're actually really big in sense of getting people together, interacting and doing things for the community, because that's really important too.
Yes, and you just made me think, Kristen, we have new clients who are completely new to the industry, and we have clients who just recently celebrated their 10-year anniversary. And so it's a great opportunity if you can do it around the holidays and put together these events. It's really great because you're showcasing that you care. Oftentimes they involve slick marketers, because when Salon Suite owners hire us, we are an extension of their outsourced marketing department in a way, because we help and support that your salon community. Will feature them, will promote their business, and it's just really great when we can do that along with the holiday event. We can allow them to cross promote their businesses and just have better camaraderie together, building that community.
And open houses and anniversary parties, they're just fun. Just to promote people getting together and having fun, I think is really essential, especially in the world today.
Yes, it is.
So on to our third and final tip. We really recommend creating holiday-themed ads and content. Now, this is a perfect time to refresh your marketing strategy, connecting it to the seasons and the holidays is a really cute way to get more eyes on your ads and on your content. Festive ads and copy are always eye-catching. I myself love a good holiday pun in a caption. Nikki knows. I always get a kick out of those.
Yes, it's very fun. I mean, you just made me think it's pumpkin theme season right now,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So we have that. I feel that the beauty community, the wellness community, we're such a visual people. So when we showcase, like you were talking the other day, inspirational themed salon suites, they love it. I mean, we get a lot of engagement when we switch our ads to be that of the holiday season.
Great, and I think it's also a great time to focus on charitable giving. creating something for your facility, like your salon pros, your beauty pros, to have kind of like a joint project together. Maybe it's something as easy as Toys for Tots and encourage collections, or a food drive. I think that those are really special, and it really bonds people together.
Right. We do have some clients who are really involved with charitable things, and they've been doing it for over a decade, and they love it. It just brings everyone together, because who doesn't like joining a community, fostering that community, and supporting their local community?
And another idea is maybe hosting like an interactive giveaway on social media. Maybe you collect items for a wonderful gift basket. And it's just another exciting way to get people to interact with your content. And then also, it's just fun to win something, right?
Yep.
I'll enter any giveaway.
She will. I can vouch for that.
Great.
Okay. So to wrap things up, these are just some of the tips we suggest based on our near decade of experience. We've collaborated a lot with our salon suite owners across the country. There are things that really do inspire and get more engagement. And so the time is now, from here to October 31st, first week in November. We've got to push our marketing to be different, to be strong, to be aggressive, so that we can get your brand out before it goes quiet.
Yes, but thank you for joining us today. We hope you like and follow us for more salon suite marketing tips.
Bye.